You know, sometimes the most meaningful gifts aren't the biggest ones. They're the ones that hold a story. And as I open this box, the first thing you will notice is the rich black walnut wood that comes in this little bag. I love it. It is smooth, it is elegant, and timeless. Look at this. And inside, you have a custom puzzle that is made with my own photo. And I love it because it was crafted piece by piece. And this little detail, and you will have also a little message here, and it's everything. This is the best gift I've ever had, and it can be also for you to gift it for a wedding anniversary, a birthday, or Mother's Day, whatever the moment. It feels deeply personal, and for me that was so great. It isn't just a frame, it's a memory that just brought to life, something to treasure and relive for every time you put the piece together. So this was the best gift, and I love the way it was packaged. The packaging is great. I love it. They give everything here. It is amazing. So let's do the puzzle together and let's see how nice this is. I absolutely love this high-end packaging. It is so cute. Every detail is here and it's amazing. I love this walnut frame. You can customize again your picture. Here's me with my daughter, my husband, this little bag. There you can put everything. I just love this. Behind the frame, I had to put together always. You can customize it and write whatever you want, what I wanted it to be. So I thought that was very cute and I absolutely love it. So this is what's inside the box. You have this puzzle, comes in a little bag. You have the picture I sent them and the box. I mean, I absolutely love it. So now I'm going to do the puzzle and let's see how nice. I just finished my puzzle and I couldn't be happier with it. It is so beautiful, the frame. It was very nice to put it together and see a beautiful picture. I love that. Look at this. So I wrote together always here, and you also have it over here engraved. So you can put the message that you want and just, this is a souvenir for your whole life, and I absolutely love it.